I'm Jeff Brown, and I provide on-site support with Ford AV. We're here at the corporate headquarters of one of the largest retail organizations in the country. They have approximately 35 different integrated conference rooms of different sizes. The conference rooms that Ford integrated here are Microsoft Teams conference room. Now these conference rooms run on a computer. A computer, just like your computer at home or the one you use at work, has to be maintained. Sometimes it has to be upgraded, sometimes it has to be rebooted. This particular company, it's not a technology company, and most companies aren't. They're in some other business, and that's where we can partner with them and we can install very technical rooms, but they're not technical to the customer. We really take care of all their technology here. Everything from their auditorium, their cafe, which has digital signage, and also the other areas around the building, high-end equipment. It's pan-tilt zoom cameras, touch panels that are custom programmed by Ford AV, cable cubbies in the tables that are installed by our technicians, ceiling mic arrays. There's also some conference rooms with table microphones. Like a lot of companies, they could have one of their IT people do it, but they like the ability to have access to their vendor immediately when they have questions or issues. If they do have questions, if they do have a big meeting, we can come in, really give them white glove service and take care of everything for them. And that all comes together to provide a great meeting experience for the customer. They do what they do best, and they understand that we do what we do best.